Discover the power of stepping into shape with the Sunny Health and Fitness Stepper. This compact powerhouse is your ticket to a healthier lifestyle, offering a low-impact, high-results workout that's easy on the joints but tough on calories. The Sunny Health and Fitness Stepper is more than just a stair-stepper machine. It's a full-body fitness solution. With resistance bands that connect directly to the stepper, you can enjoy a comprehensive workout that targets every major muscle group. The smooth hydraulic drive system ensures a seamless stepping motion, while the adjustable height and resistance levels let you customize your workout intensity. Users love the slip-resistant foot plates that provide a secure grip, ensuring safety and stability during intense sessions. The digital monitor is a game changer, keeping you informed about your progress by displaying time, distance, and calories burned. And with a weight capacity of up to 220 pounds, this stepper is accessible to a wide range of users. Pros include the full-body workout capability, the smooth hydraulic drive system, and the wide non-slip pedals. However, it's worth noting that excellent balance is required to make the most of this machine, and some users have reported a bit of squeakiness during use. In conclusion, the Sunny Health and Fitness Stepper is an affordable, efficient, and versatile piece of equipment that's perfect for anyone looking to improve their cardiovascular health and muscle tone. Whether you're working out at home or in the office, this stepper is designed to help you reach your fitness goals with ease and confidence. So step up your fitness game and experience the benefits of a full-body workout with the Sunny Health and Fitness Stepper.